Welcome to this in-depth review of the Creality K1 Max 3D printer. If you're looking for a 3D printer that combines speed, precision, and ease of use, you might want to stick around. With its 600 millimeters per second high-speed printing capability, the K1 Max promises to deliver prints up to 12 times faster than traditional 3D printers. This makes it ideal for both professionals and beginners who value efficiency. Its large 11.8 by 11.8 by 11.8 inch print size allows for bigger projects or printing multiple models at once. Plus, discover the detailed features by clicking the link in the description. One of the standout features of the Creality K1 Max is its smart AI LiDAR and camera system. The 1 micrometer resolution LiDAR automatically scans the first layer, ensuring that everything is on track before continuing. Plus, the AI camera keeps an eye out for common issues like spaghetti failures or debris. Users can even monitor prints in real time and create time-lapse videos. Reviews have highlighted how this feature provides peace of mind, reducing the need for constant supervision. For testimonials and reviews from satisfied users, visit our affiliate link in the description. The Creality K1 Max is designed for convenience, arriving out of the box with all the assembly and calibration done for you. It even includes a self-test feature with a simple tap. Users can print right away, with no complicated setup. Plus, the dual cooling system and 32 millimeters cubed per second flow ensure smooth feeding and rapid cooling, minimizing issues like stringing and warping. Compared to other high-end brands, it offers exceptional value, especially for those looking for hands-free precision. So, is the Creality K1 Max the right 3D printer for you? Its smart features and impressive speed make it a strong contender. It might be on the pricier side, but the speed, large print size, and advanced AI functions are well worth the investment. Don't forget to click on the link below to benefit from an exclusive guarantee and fast delivery. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!